Today I'm showing you how to make these apple fritter muffins. These are a fun twist on the classic apple fritters, a baked version in muffin form. So they're not fried, but they are still really, really great. The full recipe's in the description, so don't you worry. You guys are gonna love this recipe.
We're gonna start with all-purpose flour in a large bowl with some cinnamon and allspice. We've got sugar and baking powder and salt. We're gonna whisk that together and add in some beaten eggs, some milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla. Use the spatula to stir until nicely combined, and we're gonna fold in some chopped apples. Use whatever good crisp variety you like. I have Fuji in these today. And then I'm using a muffin pan. I would actually recommend you butter and flour the muffin pan. Don't use liners. This is something I learned throughout this video. They just come out better that way. But you wanna bake them at 350 for around 16 to 18 minutes or until baked through. And then this is why you don't wanna use liners, because you can actually brush the whole thing with melted butter and just roll them in cinnamon sugar so they're fully coated, not just on top. I think that's a little bit better because I love me some cinnamon sugar, but if you want to use liners so they look a little bit prettier, they are still absolutely delicious. I just love, more cinnamon sugar because why not? But that is it. Very easy, very simple, and they are so good.
Now I gotta tell you, I love these because they are so good, they're really easy to make, and you don't have to break out all the oil for frying. The full recipe is in the description with all the measurements, along with links to my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.